Hey, what's up? It's Chris Young. Today we're going to talk about how to cover your RV. But before we get there, I got some things I want you to think about. First and foremost, the size. Measure your RV from front to back. Be sure to include things like the mirrors, the bumper, or the spare tire. And if you're unsure, get one size bigger when it comes to the cover. Next up, wash and clean that RV. You want to make sure you don't get black streaks while it's in storage. Washing it from top to bottom, giving it a good deep clean, will make sure that doesn't happen. And last but not least, you want to make sure you don't tear the cover. So if you have things like rain spouts, antennas, maybe take them off or fold them down, or pad them or cover them up. A pool noodle works great in situations like this, and some covers even come with a pad kit that will help keep that cover safe all year long. Now, let's get to covering your RV. First off, you want to unroll the cover next to your RV, unwinding the straps and buckles as you go. Turn the cover inside out on the ground because you want it so that when you lay it over the RV, you just have to lay it over. You don't want to flip it once you're on top of the RV. Roll it back up, but make sure you do so that the front tag is the last thing left exposed. You can roll it loosely or just leave it laying flat, whatever's really easier for you. Place the cover behind your RV. Grab the front tag and ascend your RV's ladder. Once you're safely on the roof, turn around and pull up the rest of the cover, pretty much like you're pulling up a fire hose. With the front tag still in hand, walk the cover to the front of the RV. Be careful of things like vents, antennas, air conditioning, and don't step or trip, just be safe. Let the front cover drop over the front of the RV. Spread out the cover over the top of the RV. You want to try as best as you can to get the center seam in the middle of the RV. That way you pretty much know that whenever you flop over the sides, that everything's going to fit just right. The sides will begin to fall into place naturally. Just ensure that they fall down enough that you can reach them from the ground. Now, make your way back to the RV rear. Climb down the ladder and install the ladder cap along the way if you have one. If not, just make sure to pull the back cover down as you go. Just be careful. Walk around the RV, straightening the cover so that it's centered properly. Secure the bottom covers after you're sure the cover is centered. Connect the buckles. What you want to do is cinch these and tighten them so that the cover doesn't move while you attach the bottom straps. Now, get the clasp and just sling it under the RV. Connect that and tighten the strap to remove the slack from the cover to ensure a snug fit. So there you have it. As I mentioned before, safety is number one. If you don't feel comfortable doing it, make sure you get some help. But hopefully these tips will help you cover your RV and keep it lasting camping season after camping season. For more videos like these, maybe tips or tricks, brand new RVs, please click like, subscribe, and notify so the next time we get one of these out, you're the first one to get it.